Hello everyone, it's CryptoCo. Welcome back. In this video, we are just going to talk about Bitcoin, S&P 500, and gold. Everything is bleeding and dumping crazily downside, and the only question in our mind that how low we can go. So I will start from the Bitcoin. Currently, you can see it is just making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high on a 1 week frame. It's a big frame. Since we lost this area, I turned bearish and still waiting for the more downside on this. This is the important support level, a very strong area, 52. And I've been waiting for this level from last 8 months. So now here we are getting closer to the point like 53 to 55. But the main question is it bottom or not, guys? Here is the area to bounce, and bottom will confirm later. Okay, nobody can tell you the exact bottom, but this is the very important key level, and we can even expect a wick below the 48 to 49 in this region. But the speed is so fast here. It seems like it don't want to stop anywhere. But overall, I'm still looking for the 52 region to bounce from here. And after hitting this area, here is the scenario I'm expecting that price need to get settled here in the zone, a consolidation, and then we can just run further upside. We need to hold and secure this area because this is the very important level, and below this there is 47 and 52, almost the same range, and after this we can expect like 33 to 37. So it's going to be so ugly for the Bitcoin. If we lose this area, then we can see something like this to go upside. So this is going to be the longest dark night for the crypto market, but I think so we need to hold this important zone of the 52, 53, and from here we can expect a bounce, and bounce is due. Here I'm just going to show you that 1 week, 1 day, all the time frame RSI is oversold, but MFI is telling us there is a more downside. So we can expect toward the 49, 52, and then we will see the reaction. Now we will go to the S&P 500. S&P 500 was extremely bullish and 9 continuously green candles, and now this is the first red candle. It is just forming, and here you can see it just build a rounded top here, standing at the important support level of 7413. This is the zone, guys. We need to hold here. Okay, this is the last line of a defense for this 73.45 for the S&P 500. If we lose this area, then there is a straight downside toward like 71 to 72 we can expect, because this is the key level, and after consolidation we can just run further upside toward this zone, something like this. But it's so early to say because it's a monster S&P 500. It's not a Bitcoin. It always bounce. I would not be much bearish on it because I think we can bounce from here on a Monday, from here, and again pump back upside toward this level, almost 7,500. So this is going to be the trade. If someone want to take position, you can just wait for the Monday opening, and the buy zone is 73.80, 73.60, almost in this region, and then we can just sell it back here toward the 74.98 or something. Okay, so this is the scenario what I am expecting. I'm not expecting a straight $500 move downside from like here to here in a one single week toward like 71 or 72. What about the gold? Gold is seriously bearish, and it is just dumping down as I shared. I'm just going to show you the same chart which I shared in a last recent video where it is. And this is something I share with you about the gold XAU, XAUT. The important zone is here, guys. This is the key level, and this is the base level for the gold to build a bottom here. Then we can just ride for the upside move, but we need to wait for the reaction as well. Don't try to catch a falling knife. So overall, guys, the market is having a correction. So after every big correction, there's a buying opportunity, and I'm still waiting. Gold, S&P 500, or Bitcoin, all are looking for the bottom, and we should have to wait for the price to get settled somewhere. So here was my thought and analysis about the gold, S&P 500, and BTC. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything, and make sure you hit the like button. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you, and bye-bye.